We are Vanu, You, Me and French. Hello friends, welcome to my channel You, Me and French, and you are learning French with me Trupti. And I hope you are understanding well all the vocabularies, and we will continue with this only. So today's topic is des vêtements, and today I am taking upper body parts clothes so that we will have a bunch of vocabulary on it without confusion. So let's start. Shirt, une chemise, une chemise, une chemise. Concentrate on the spelling, pronunciation, and write it down whenever you need it. So concentrate on the screen, okay? So shirt, une chemise, une chemise. Repeat after me, une chemise. Shirt, une chemise. T-shirt, a t-shirt, a t-shirt. I think it's quite easy word, only pronunciation is little bit different. A t-shirt. So we are not pronouncing T. A t-shirt. A t-shirt. Okay. Then a cardigan. Cardigan is a cardigan. Again, it's easy. Only pronunciation is different. It's gon. It's cardigan. Repeat after me. Cardigan. Cardigan, a cardigan. A cardigan. Good. Repeat after me. A cardigan. Then pullover or a jumper. It's again easy. A pullover or a pool. If you don't want to say pullover, keep it simple. A pool. It's a pullover or a pool. Pullover or a jumper. It's a pullover or a pool. A pullover or a pool. Quite simple. Okay. Then coat. Coat, a motto. A motto. A motto. Coat, a motto. Blazer. Blazer, again easy. It's same as in English. A blazer. A blazer. A blazer. It's a blazer. So simple, isn't it? Then a sweater. A sweater is a chandoy. I feel it is a horrible word. So you need to give a little bit concentration on this word. It's a chandoy. A chandoy. A chandoy. Repeat after me. Sweater, a chandoy. A chandoy. Then scarf. Scarf, une écharpe. Scarf, une écharpe. Une écharpe. Repeat after me. Scarf, une écharpe. Une écharpe. Une écharpe. Okay. Then gloves. Gloves, des gants. Des gants. Gloves, des gants. Gloves, des gants. Gloves, des gants. Next word is necktie. Necktie, une cravate. Une cravate. Repeat after me. Une cravate. And last but not the least is hat. Hat is a chapeau. A chapeau. A chapeau. Repeat after me. A chapeau. So that's it for today. I hope you understand words, and some words are very similar and some words are very different. So you need to understand spelling, and you need to mug up all spellings and every pronunciation, and I believe you will do. So till next video, I will meet you so soon with new videos. Till then, you need to practice well. Happy learning, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my channel, hit the bell icon and share my channel. And if you have any doubts, just comment it. Till then, bye bye, au revoir and take care.